Hi guys, this is Harvinder Singh and today we are going to talk about DOM. So if you are into developing and stuff, you must have come across this word or if you haven't heard of this term then also no need to worry because today in this video we are going to cover this topic from scratch. So in the next 5 to 10 minutes you are going to learn what is DOM and why it is used. So let's get into it and let's start what a DOM is. So let's see here. So when we code our website, we know that we are going to run that website in a browser. So the way the browser look at our HTML code and the way we look at our HTML code is not the same. It's like the way we look at our crush and our crush looks at us. It's not the same, right? So what does the browser do here? The browser creates a tree-like structure from our HTML to understand our HTML structure better and to render those elements out. So this tree-like structure created by the browser is known as the DOM. DOM stands for Document Object Model. Now, what does this actually mean? Let me show you here. Let me create this boilerplate, and now let me show you what this means. Now, what is document? Document here is our HTML page. This whole HTML page is referred as document in DOM. And what is object here? All our elements and attributes inside this HTML page is object, right? So this head is an object, title is an object, all elements like h1, h2, all this comes under object. So this object means here elements, and attributes. And what is this model here? The tree-like structure. The model is this tree-like structure that our browser makes for itself, right? So yeah, this is DOM. Now everything under this DOM is a node. Like this is a head node, this is a title node, and this is a body node. And if we write here some text, so this is a text node. So and all these nodes have some relation with their parent element. So this is known as the node relation. Now let's have a look at node relation. So let's clear all these things. Okay, let's create a simple HTML tag here, and inside this HTML we have our head, and we also have our body tag as well. So let me arrange this for you. So inside this HTML we have our head tag and our body tag. So this HTML is known as our root element, and it have these two child element, that is head and this is body. So head and body is child element to this HTML. So you can call these two as siblings. So head and body is sibling. Now let's get here inside head we can add title, and this title let's give a name to this. Let's give anything. So this title here is now the child of this head, and this head is child of this HTML. So I hope it is clear. So if it's not, let's see here in body as well. So let's create a div inside this body. So this div is the child of this body. Now let's create a h1 inside this div. Now this div is the parent of this h1, right? So this is how the parent and child relation is there in node, and this is known as node relation. So okay, let's give some name here. Let's write here hello guys, or hello guys, and let's save it. Let's open it with live server. Here it's our, okay, we can see it, hello guys. So now the question arises here that if DOM is something that is created by the browser and it is used by the browser, then why should we learn what is DOM is? What is the need to understand DOM? Like, why can't we just leave it to the browser that, hey browser, it's your work, just handle it, don't come to me? So the answer here is quite simple. Like why do we want to know our crush better? So to increase our prospectus, right? So the same thing applies here. We if we understand our DOM structure better, so we can have more control over the element and we can manipulate the DOM. Like we can edit it, we can update, we can change by using some language like JavaScript or jQuery. Now having said that, let me show you a quick glimpse of how we can grab our DOM with our JavaScript. So let's do it quickly. Let's uh, let's link our file here, JavaScript file here, that is app.js. I've already built this file. Okay, so let's save this. Let's open this. So here we are going to do simple console dot log, and let's do a let's do document here. Let's console log the whole document, and let's see what we get here. So let's open our inspect. Let's open our inspect, and okay. Let me tell you, my computer is super fast, so that is why you can see this. Okay, here we have document. So let's open it. So here, see, we have the whole HTML structure, our whole HTML, this code here. This whole HTML code is here. Let me show you if it is not clear. Yeah. So even we have this comment section also. So now let's grab something else, like let's do title, and refresh it. Okay, I told you, fast browser, fast computer. And so yeah, see, here it is, we have anything because our title is anything. So that's it. That is how you can get access to DOM. And when you get access to DOM, it depends on you what you want to do with the DOM. You can love it, you can play with it, you can hate it, you can do anything, you can kill it, you can change it, you can do anything that you want. And with that said, have a great day ahead, and yeah, see you soon.